Да. Hi everyone. We will start in 10 minutes.
Добрый день, Светлана. Мы через сколько начинаем?
Привет, ребят. Hello, everyone. So we will start in a few minutes. First of all, please say me about noise around me. Do you hear it? It's okay or no?
It's okay.
It's okay. 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 I think we can start. So, Никита, нормально меня слышно? Шум вокруг слышен, нет?
Слышно, только вы заикаетесь.
Ага.
Слышно, только вы заикаетесь, но мне кажется, это с нашей стороны проблема. У нас соединение не очень хорошее.
Okay, so good morning, good evening, everyone. Hi, where are you? Please turn on your cameras. Yeah, I see Nikita. Yeah, I see Suvai. Hi, guys. White, hello. Elena, hello. Elena will be our translator during our camp. She will help me to translate to Russian or to English.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Всем здравствуйте.
Да, Никита, Лена будет вам помогать. Тоже. Вместе с Пашей. Да. Ну, с переводами, если что. То есть, если какие-то моменты будут непонятные, спрашивайте, ну, тормозите, мы просто повторим то же самое там на русском или на английском, переведем потом. Hi,
Хорошо,
Pavel.
спасибо.
Yeah, great. So, Mustafa, are you with us? Are you here?
Hi.
Hi, great, perfect. So, welcome to our first preparation day. Today we will provide some information for you, and also you can check your preparation work. For example, you can perform a flight, and also you can ask us about liftoff, for example, or etc. Vladimir will join to us some later, and when we will talk about FPV flights, you can ask him about it.
Do I need to translate? Переводить мне?
Никит, вам понятно или перевести сейчас?
Я могу
Нет,
переводить все или как скажете?
Ну, давай, Никит, тогда это будет зависеть просто от вас. Если нужен будет перевод, ну, говорите, что там, что-то непонятно было бы. Хорошо? Какие-то важные моменты, чтобы у всех просто было все понятно. Супер. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Yeah, just a moment. Okay, so it's okay. Yes, do you see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Great, perfect. Just a moment, I will check the live stream. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So now I'm going to share it link for live stream. You can watch on YouTube too. Just a moment. Okay. And so this is our plan for today's work. First of all, we check all of you on our meeting, and we will provide this check-in each day because the briefing is very important information. It is your plan for day. Next, we will check your equipment about your software and hardware. So we repeat our yesterday's routine. Step number 3, I will tell you about test project timeline and some requirements which we will need to get from you to provide assessment of your work. And step number 4, it will be work with the remote venue, and you can change example of code which I sent to you yesterday. You can change this code and provide and try to make a flight on the real drone at our remote venue. Okay, some questions about our plan for today. Okay, so let's fly. And so please check this participant list. And now I will check you using list of our participants in Zoom. So, okay, we start from Malaysia. So, Mr. Bakar, he is expert of the Malaysian team. I don't see it. Okay, so competitor from the Malaysia team, Quiet. Quiet is correct your name, which I said, or no? How your name will be correct? Yes. Okay. So team from Kazakhstan, Nikita Labanov and Pavel.
Да, все корректно.
Все, да, все тут. And team from Emirates, Subaya. He is expert. Yes, he's here. And his competitor, Dana.
Mustafa is here today.
Mustafa. Okay,
Yes.
so we discussed this case with you yesterday. Will you send a mail to the World Skills Russia or no?
You need me to send an email regarding this matter?
Yeah, I wrote to you yesterday about this one.
Okay.
Okay, so Dana will be participated or no?
Now I chose Mustafa to participate, but if there is a possibility for both of them to participate, it will be better.
Okay, it will be depends from World Skills Russia, and we will discuss with you after our meeting today. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, great. So now instead Dana, Mustafa is here. Yeah.
Yes.
I am here. Yeah, okay, perfect. So, let's next. So, please check your infrastructure list. This is equipment and software which you need to use during our competitions day. So, a laptop, remote control, internet, table chair, of course, lift off. So please check because this installation takes more time. Zoom, we will use on the laptop or on the phone too. So for example, Zoom, it will be required if you have personal questions or personal technical trouble. We can connect it and you will share your screen to us and we will check it what happens. Telegram also, Telegram you can use with us, and also we can use Telegram via video chat. It needs to updating. So this app will help us to show you flight of your drone, of your quad, because a live stream on the YouTube or in the Zoom has some delays. But using Telegram video chat, we can show you your flight without delays. And code editor such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text, this software help you to edit and to write your code for autonomous flights. Okay, questions? It's okay for you, or you need trouble with this software or any problems? You can write on our Zoom chat. If it's okay, please write a plus. If no, write minus. Okay, Kazakhstan is okay. Malaysia and Emirates, it's okay with your equipment or no? Or
Yes,
you have
it's okay.
It's okay. Great. Write a plus, please.
Yes, I did.
Super. And Quiet from Malaysia. What about you? It's okay? Great. Perfect, guys. I like it. Okay. So go to the next.
Светлана, можно секунду?
Yeah.
Вот эти параметры ноутбук либо компьютеру только участник или эксперту тоже нужен?
Ну, это все для участника. Вот. Экспертам в основном нужно будет просто компьютер для связи, то есть там Zoom, может быть, телефон, чтобы что-то по видео показать. Ну, вот такие вот моменты.
Все, хорошо, спасибо.
Okay, so Nikita asked me about laptop. It's required only for competitors or for experts too. So my answer is laptop with these requirements. It's needed only for competitors, but for experts, you will provide only Zoom conferences or maybe work with Microsoft Office software, but you needed so high resources and requirements on your laptop. Okay, next. Yeah, so test project, 30% changes. For FPV, it's tracks. For the autonomous flight, it is a mission of the autonomous flight. It will be announced tomorrow. For the FPV, it will be during our briefing time. For the autonomous flight, it will be not tomorrow, it will be after tomorrow, before competition day starts. So now we start, I will tell you some requirements about autonomous flight coding. And after that, we will continue with FPV flights. So as you remember, yesterday I show you this is a plan and recommendation for the setup. So some changes I forgot about to notify you about marker size. Marker size is 0.33 meters. It is this one size. So marker size is a square. It is mean 0.33 on the vertical side and the same dimensions on the horizontal side. These dimensions didn't change, and this one too. So 0.0, it is our initial coordinates using Aruka markers map. But don't forget this feature. We have two types of the drone coordinates. First of all, it's Aruka map. It is one. So using Aruka map for your drone, it is coordinates starting from this point. But also we started in the body frame. It is mean that that your initial coordinate starts from your starting point for takeoff. So what I mean, I will show you a code to get a best understanding of it. Yeah. So now I will show it for you. This one, yeah. So you can see example of the code which I sent you yesterday. So this is a template which you can use. And I said to you about two types of the coordinates, frame ID body and frame ID Aruka map. So frame ID body, it is mean that you can start from any point, and for your drone, any points of your location will be 0 and 0. But if you use frame ID Aruka map, your starting point will be determined with these coordinates. It is attention for you. So it is mean that we started from the frame ID body to get our first coordinates, and after that we will fly to the determined point using Aruka map frame ID. Please use this rule. It's help you to get more quality flight. And don't forget about delay of the flights. using this command, and landing. So this is template for you, please use it. And also the main parameter which we use, this one. This is parameter help us to save orientation drawn using a YAV position. So this parameter excludes rotation around YAV axis. Okay, any questions about this introduction? No.
Okay, so what about navigate weight also?
Yeah, navigate weight, this function, this command, you can use, of course. It's no problem. But don't forget about YAV float,
Sure,
because
thank you.
we need to check drones, and it will help us to save orientation of drone.
Thank you.
Okay, perfect. So any questions? Okay. So in this template, you will add LED strip and QR recognition and etc. So this is a simple example. Okay. So let's continue with our presentation. Okay. So, and this international map, it's help you to make a gazebo world or print real markers on your site. So, some notes about autonomous flight coding. So that task will be available in the competition day. You know that autonomous flight will be continued during starting in C2 competition day and finish in C3 competition day. And this task will not change, it will be same. But will be different assessment of this task. So your flight in the first day of the autonomous flight, C2 competition day, will be assessment in 40 points. Total, as you remember, total is 70 points, but in C2 day, this aspect, this criteria, will be assessment in 40 points totally. And the next day, it will be 30 points. So it is a reason for this divided is because you will know competition task on this day, and if you perform this task fully or completely, you can get more points then it will be in next day. Okay, questions? Okay. Okay. Also, I have a question for you. Just a moment. Just a moment. I will finish, and after it, I will ask you about one thing. So, as I said before about debugging time, so you will have two types of the time. You have debugging time during the model, and also you have a final time for the flight. So during debugging time, you will send your code to the expert, and you will have not more than 7 minutes to debug your code. It includes launching, changing, comments, and export any files from drone which you created. The main requirements for the naming of the file, you can see like this. Please write your team name and digit of the test number. And also this one, this is a path for your export files. One of them, it's a report, which will be assessment. And also you can add in this folder any export files if you need it to get more information after your flight. Okay, so any questions about debugging time?
So from my understanding, you will give us the task, then the competitor will have around 7 minutes to write his code and at the same time to send it to the expert. And like the expert should make modification or something like that and then submit it to you. The whole process is 7 minutes or what?
No. It's a very extremely task for all. So this is a debugging time. Yes, I understood your questions. Okay, next slide. This is a
Okay.
schedule of the autonomous flight coding model. So in C2 days, we start from the briefing and answer to your questions about task. It takes 30 minutes. After it, you will have 110 minutes to provide debugging your code. So it is mean you will write the code on your site. You will provide debugging your code on our remote venue. But also you have only 7 minutes per team. So you can check your code. And after this, you can repeat your attempt, your test attempt, your draft attempt on it, while 110 minutes will be continued. So after this time, we will have a 30 minutes to provide final flights and provide assessment of these flights. So you can also provide, we as an expert, we will provide restarts. Oh, sorry. I make a mistake on the presentation. Just a moment. Restarts, of course, are available. Yeah, so in 30 minutes, we will launch step by step all competitors, and we will have only 5 minutes per team for providing final flights. So in these 5 minutes, our expert will be make a flight of your code, which you upload during this time to experts with the naming of, for example, Russia team final one, and you send us. But also you need to go with schedule. If you upload later than this time, we cannot to provide assessment on this flight. So we will notify you in our common group in Telegram. Be attention and don't late to send your code. And so what difference between debugging time and final flight? During debugging time, you have 7 minutes. Competitor can provide some comments, and competitors can change the code or send another code during 7 minutes. But during the final flight, code changing not possible. We can provide only restarts because it can be depends on some technical problem, or experts need to check your code to correct. They can change polygon for check it. And after final flights, we will provide 10 minutes briefing to finalize our day. So, and the next day, C3, we have additional time for debugging time from the briefing, because we have the same task and the same process, such as the previous day, and you have more time for provide debugging of the code. So, any questions?
So my task as an expert, I can help my competitor with his code and I can change in his code, or that is not allowed?
Yes, of course, because it's competition between competitors, not experts.
And
if you interested, of course, you can send your code to me personally, and after the module, we can show you. We can provide demonstration.
yeah, I do understand that it's between competitors, but what is my task as an expert during the competition?
Yeah. The task for the experts, so because we have a remote competition, we have specific roles for the experts, and on the remote venue we have assessment experts who provide assessment on the flight. For the experts who connect to us remotely, your main task is be a supervisor for your competitor and help him to provide time management of the model. So start briefing, start debugging time, upload, notify him about time is ending, please upload it, and etc. Maybe if it will be possible, I will provide some briefing and I will tell you about assessment criteria. It will be useful for you. I'm not sure about it will be C2 or C3 days. Okay, any questions? Okay, so if you don't have any questions, so we can go to the next model. Okay, so as I said yesterday, tomorrow we will start your first task. It's a FPV flight, and you need to send me a screenshot of the best flight and the video of the best flight, video recording. So how it will be about timing. So the first 40 minutes, it will be briefing and task description with our experts. Next, you will have 19 minutes to provide FPV flights which describe on the test project. So what does it mean? You can have 2 or maybe 3 track on the FPV flight, which you need to perform during this time. But if you perform it quickly, it will get to you more points. So what does it mean? So if you complete the model during 60 minutes, you will have full marks. If you complete model in 75 minutes, you will have a half of the marks, of the full marks. And if you complete the model more than, if you complete model in 90 minutes, you will get only 25% from the total mark. And if you complete the model more than 90 minutes, unfortunately, we cannot provide assessment because your time limit is over. And you will get 0 points for this model. So what is mean about completion of the model? So as I said before, you need to provide sent materials, and also to get full information about you, you need to perform this report and send to us before time is over. You will send all materials to me directly into Telegram, and the main requirements of it, it can be sent during the possible time and not be edited. So you can edit the message because it's I can see about this function if you provided it. You can delete your message and send me again. But also I will check the time of your message when your message was sent to me. Okay, some words about report. So reports, you can use any program such as Word or Notes or etc. So the main parameter which you need to fill, it's your nickname. Nickname will be appeared on here. It's mean given name and family name. If you have a very long name, please make it shortly, but notify me about your nickname before the start model. So country, you write your country, name of drone, this is a type of drone, and name of race. It is track 1, track 2, track 3. It can be changed. It will be depends from different conditions, and you will see about naming of the track tomorrow in the test project. And also fill this this string with your best time and apply the screenshot of the drone parameter. So we will compare it this time with this time on the screenshot. So any questions about report and about completion of the model, about requirements of the completion of this model?
So you need us to submit this form, and also we need to upload videos for the flights on the 3 tracks, right?
Yeah, yeah. The best videos of the screenshots, yeah.
But you know that it needs time to upload the videos.
Yes, so no problem if you uploaded this video during 10 minutes, for example.
Yes.
So first of all, you need to send screenshots and report. It's the most important thing.
Yes, yes.
And the video recording, it's our additional requirements which we provide to watch it if we find some errors on it.
Okay.
Okay, any questions? Kuwait, Pasha, Nikita?
Да нет, пока все понятно.
Okay.
Единственное, что я не понял, Светлана, дрон какой мы можем использовать?
Насчет дрона вам скажут, ну, это будет описано в конкурсном задании, там нужно будет выбрать дрон и приложить вот скриншот его параметров.
Хорошо, выбрать, да, не самим составить?
Может быть и составить, это вам скажет потом эксперт.
Все хорошо, спасибо.
Yes, so Nikita asked me about what type of drone you need to use, and I answered to him about this information will be announcement tomorrow on the morning briefing. Yes, Quiet asked me about the table. So yes, Quiet, you should to make a table in the any software which comfortable for you, and fill information about it and send me during model completion time. And don't forget to name all the screenshots, because the track name we don't know about track time using only screenshots on here, but we will see on the name of file and compare it with this information on the table, on the spreadsheet. Okay, so questions? Okay. So, oh yeah, it's my favorite part. So guys, before we finish our meetings, I would like to remind you about our plan for today. So now we will have two hours. 2 hours. During this time, you can ask different questions on our common group. And also we can check the example of code, and we can try to perform an autonomous flight with you if you need it.
Svetlana, there is a question
Yeah,
in chat.
I try to open it just one. Yeah. So yeah. So we need. So we type the code program and send it to run on real run. Yes. So the questions from Quiet about code program and run it on the real drone. Yes, you can do it at now. So we have 2 hours for the provide these codes or etc. or another questions. Maybe if you need, we will with you on the Zoom or Telegram. Telegram is preferable for it. And for today, our meeting can be finished. But during this time, you can send a different program. We have 2 hours for it, if you need it. If you finish the preparation for today's, please write me a message on the Telegram, me personally, or on the common group. Run the program on Gazebo. Interesting questions. Just a moment, I will clarify it. Just a moment, I will wait answer on it because we don't planning to provide the gazebo today. Gazebo, I think it will be possible on the competition day. And also, I think we organize one debugging stand on the using only Raspberry without camera on the Raspberry, where we can check your code on the syntax errors, if you need it, of course. But full information about it, I will share with you on the competition day on our morning briefing. Just a moment. Сейчас, погоди, я отключу. Okay, we will await Timofey, I think. Okay, so I think we can organize the gazebo debugging, but for now we don't have a world on which we use on the remote venue. So if you want to check your code and see how it works, it's okay, but it will be without a world from the remote venue.
Hello, guys.
Oh, Timofey.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, Timofey.
Hi.
So, Timofey, competitors and participants ask us about to check their code on the gazebo. It is possible, I think, yes?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, great, perfect. So, guys, please ask Timofey, maybe if you have some questions about gazebo for now, you can ask him now.
I have a question on how the drone will hold its altitude on the day of the competition on the real drone. So we know that we use the laser sensor, which is the rangefinder, and the barometric pressure. So what will be used at the day of the competition?
Well, at the day of the competition, the drone will use visual position to estimate its height. So once you take off to a certain height, you can see the markers, and the drone will maintain its height based on the camera.
Okay, thank you.
Mustafa asked, Mustafa asked in the chat about we will not use gazebo on the competition day. So gazebo you can use only such as a tool for debugging. So on the competition day, we will provide the world which will be same with our remote venue. And you can provide this such as debugging. but all assessment will be provided on the flight using real drone. Okay, so while you yeah, gazebo only for testing the code, yeah, for checking. So while you preparing the questions, I would like to make a common photo. So please turn your camera on and we make a photo. Great, perfect. Okay, quiet, where is your photo? Yeah, great, great. Nikita. Mustafa. Mustafa use 2 accounts too, such as me. Mustafa, turn on your camera, please, if it's possible for you.
It's not working, my camera.
Oh, great.
I tried for
Not good. Okay. Okay. So I have interesting idea, and I think you can help me with it. So first, our photo will be the traditional photo with a smile. So on the 3, please make a smile. 3, 2, 1, smile. Perfect. So just a moment, I will save it. So, Victoria, could you turn on your camera too? Don't turn off your camera. I have an interesting quiz for you.
My camera, is it working now?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. We're glad to see you. Okay, so attempt number 2. 3, 2, 1, smile. Perfect. And I have an interesting idea of it. So please make like this one, this one, yeah, yeah. Oh, one side, yeah, great, perfect. Pavel, in another side, please. Yeah, cool. Yeah, like this. Perfect. So 3, 2, 1, smile. Yeah, and we repeat this action for the next side, like this. Difficult. Hey, 3. Oh, Victoria, yeah, great. Victoria, in another side. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, smile. Perfect. So I will make a surprise for you. Okay, great, great. So our organization meeting is the finish, but now Victoria can provide a live stream and we can make excursion for you. So Victoria, oh, hi. This is our studio streaming for it. So I think we can show to you. This is our laboratory in the institute, the Moscow Nuclear Power Institution. So this institution has a laboratory for drones, and also it is a partner and participant of the World Skills Movement in Russia, and we have a workshop at here. Now we have a big flight zone for the Russian competitors because we have 3 age categories on it, on this event, starting from super juniors from 11 and up to 14 years old. And next junior category is 12 and 14, and 14 and 16, and the next adult participants from the 16 and up to 22nd years old. And also we have a small flight zone for our site. We have independent flight zone because the competition on the Russian side provided simultaneously all day, all week, all night, etc. Okay, so for now, Timofey, do you hear it?
Yes, I'm still here.
Okay, guys, who wants to send to me, to Timofey gazebo code for gazebo during this time? I think you can send it. So please write to Timofey about your opportunity for gazebo, and to me if you want to send, if you want to run the real drone. So our workshop will be working for you up to 2 p.m. Okay? Okay.
I really wished I was there in Russia to test it in real life.
Okay, welcome to Russia. I know that the later news was about flights between Emirates and Russia without any restrictions, I think. But yes, it has some features, but you can come to us for tomorrow, for after tomorrow, for example, autonomous drone flights, and help to us to providing it. Yeah, guys, welcome to Russia. If you will be in Russia, I will provide excursion for you, of course. Okay, so if you don't have questions for now, I will finish our meeting on this side, and Zoom will be run simultaneously. Zoom will be run continuously up to 2 o'clock. It's because we demonstrate their live stream from our workshop to you, performing a flight, autonomous flight. And so good luck, guys. If you finish early than 2 o'clock, please notify me about it, because if all finish early, we will finish early too. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, great, perfect. So guys, have a nice day for today. And let's fly.
До свидания. Завтра в 11, да?
Just a moment. Yeah. So for tomorrow days, yeah, tomorrow we will start in 11 o'clock to finish in 2 o'clock or early. For it.
Okay, goodbye.
Никита, подожди, вы еще тут?
Да.
Смотри, сейчас у вас есть возможность полетать на дроне, либо проверить что-то в газеба. Вот. Если вам это как бы не нужно, и вы просто будете готовиться к следующему дню, то, ну, хорошо, как бы не проблема, просто скажите, что вот, все, вы заканчиваете. Вот, а так, да, еще есть возможность вот это все попроверять. Oh. Yeah, this is a drone on the for Russian competitors. Okay, so we will start to demonstrate on our workshop venue and connect and stay at the Zoom too. I will go to the next station. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, we shared for you our workshop. Just a moment. Yeah. Where is this one? Yeah. So, some excursion for you. So our official part is at the end, but if you in process of the writing of code, please write to me. Okay, and some words about the body frame, frame ID body, and Aruka map. So, for example, if I make takeoff from this side in the body, and I write command drone body and go to the x 1 meters, drone perform 1 meter like this one. But if I repeat this command with the same parameters, 1 meter by x, it will be like this one. It is in frame ID body because drone calculates their coordinates using internal sensors. So, but if we write the same commands using Aruka map, frame ID 1 meter by x. 1 meter by x will be calculated from this point, and it is mean drone provide flight on this side and will be hovering on this position while you have changed the coordinates and commands. Okay, so we await the codes from you and questions if you need it.
Svetlana, there is a question in the chat.
Okay, just a moment. Where you do the code testing. Yes, Mustafa, this is a place. This is our flight zone for the next competition days, and the map of this zone I have sent it to you yesterday. You can use it. This one. So test project we will share with you on the competition day only. Nikita, so autonomous flight model will be after tomorrow. So tomorrow only FPV, after tomorrow will be autonomous flights. About documentation, we will share with you documentation on the competition day. So no, not for tomorrow, it will be after tomorrow for the autonomous flights.
Where can we send the code?
Yes, you can send the code to me directly
Okay.
in the Telegram group or in the Telegram message.
Okay.
Лана, кому лучше скинуть код? Павлу либо вам? Ой, Тимофею.
Код на реальный дрон мне, а в Газебо Тимофею. Вот, он, кстати, может вам помочь код этот Газебо настроить, если что.
Нет, Газебу вроде настроили, сейчас вам туда код отправим.
Okay, also you can ask Timofey about Gazebo setup. Feel free to ask him about it. And now I will show you about how to change the marker map on the drone using SFTP connection. So I have an international map on the file. So now I use FileZilla to connect it on it, to connect to the drone. So before it, I have connected to the Wi-Fi, name Clover F, and password Clover Wi-Fi. Just a moment. So in this, I write IP address. This is the name PI, and this is a passport Raspberry. So port number 22. Okay, so now it's here. I have I can see all files on my Raspberry and the drone. So and now I choose directory named Aruka POS and map, and I need to upload my map to this directory. Yes, I check the file, I check the size of file. And now I need to make some changes on the drone. So I provide to connect to the drone using SSH connection. I have wrote IP address and provide the connect. Okay. Okay, so for now, I need to change the parameters on the Aruka marker map. And I use this path. Now in this directory, I can find all launch files on our drones for camera, for main parameters, the Clover launch, and Aruka launch. It's a file for the to change the parameters of the Aruka map, of our marker map. So now I need to edit it using Nano. Okay, and this one, yeah, I see this parameter map, and I need to change it to the name of my file, international map. International map. Okay. After the saving of it, I need to provide reboot my system. Okay, restarting process, it's okay. Now I can check my web video server. Which topic, image graph. I wait. I waiting for uploading topics. А он когда летал? So the map of our flight zone is uploaded and updated on this site. Что опять поменять? So now we provide the launch of the drone with using your code on the site. So before I okay, so now we need to restart the drone to change the battery. Включил, который тоже Clover F. Это Clover D. Сюда. То есть мне опять на него поменять эту карту, что ли? Да. Okay, so now we have some technical problem because the FTP connection was with some mistakes. FTP connection has some mistakes, but now we fix it, and so we can check our map on the web video server. So it's located in the view image topics and Aruka map image snapshot, so we can see it. So now using Aruka debug, the tech debug, we can check how our drone see all and detect all Aruka markers. Position. Okay, now drone is hold on the in the position mode. Можно его подвернуть, чтобы я его пыркнула? А почему он вращается? Я его хочу подергать. Okay, so now we can. I'm dangerous and I'm afraid my colleague. So we would like to demonstrate to you how drone hold their position on the special mode. Сделай повыше его. Yeah. Okay, so I can move the drone, but after it, drone will come back on their whole position. Да, я сейчас проверила там. So, and before the start flight, you can check your connection and position of the drone using Roservice Get Telemetry service. If we don't feel the pole, if we don't choose frame ID, default frame ID is the body. So and now we have mode stabilized because we control drone using manual flight, and this is coordinates of the drone on the in the body frame ID. So now here we can check our battery and voltage per cell. Серег, а можешь запустить его в позишене, и я через Aruka Map проверю, покажу координаты. And now we will demonstrate to you another frame ID, Aruka Map. So our drone is covering their position. And now we can see position of the drone around Aruka Map frame ID. So it means coordinate by X, it's 1.5 meters, and by Y, 1 meter. And that coordinate is 1 and 4 meters. Okay, so давай на лендинг его поменяем аккуму и запустим. Или не будем менять аккуму? Поменяйте меня. Okay, during the drone working, I will upload your code. Сейчас я пересохраню все. Okay, I'm in the process of the uploading the code, the main directory. And this one. So the code from Subay from Emirates and from Pavel from the Kazakhstan is uploaded. Subay, sorry. You need to change the type of the code.
Yes, sure. Give me a second.
Yeah, okay. Okay, firstly, we run the code from the Pavel. Pavel, are you here?
Да, здесь.
Отлично. Вы можете смотреть трансляцию. Ты готов? Перехватывать. Okay, so let's fly. Я не знаю, что они там написали, если что. Perfect, but I think we can to start again because live stream from the camera turned off. So, Pavel, let's see again. Ты готов?
Да.
Okay. Okay, so we wait code from you. Just a moment. Блин, как сделать так, чтобы... Серега, ты знаешь, как сделать... Ой.
Светлана, у меня такой вопрос.
Да.
В конце перехватили его или это не показалось?
Ты перехватывал?
Ау?
Нет, все само.
Все само, да? Все, спасибо, все понял.
I sent it. I just sent the code on Telegram.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Spy. Just a moment. So, Павел, рекомендация для тебя.
код называть Казахстан Павел или хотя бы просто Казахстан 1, чтобы мы понимали, чей код откуда идет. Хорошо, Паш? So, okay, we are ready to start running of the code from Subaya. Okay, let's fly. We provide the restart of the flight. Ну да, но мне кажется, может, давай сейчас перезапустим еще раз. Готов? So, let's fly, restart again. So, Subaya, please check your coordinates. I think you provide maybe errors on it. Please check your coordinates. Серег, можешь мне настроить? Сейчас я пока там закину сейчас еще один код. Okay, quiet. Now we're in process to uploading your code. Okay, quiet. Are you ready? We start to run your code. So quiet. I advise you to decrease your speed on the drone because it's dangerous and some because drone has a high speed and sometimes it cannot to make a break before he reach the wall.
Can you reset the position of the drone? Because I think the coordinates are right, and I'm not sure why it's going so fast. I set very low speed.
Okay. Maybe you need to check the syntaxes. Maybe.
It's working on Gazebo simulator. It's working fine.
Okay. Okay.
Mister, because
Uh,
what the place where you start the what the takeoff is not the same as gazebo. That's why it is bumping on the wall.
okay. Okay. So I check. I need to check your code which you have sent
Okay.
before. Yes, it's okay. I don't need to change it. Yeah, this one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Готов? Okay. Let's fly.
The orientation is not right. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure what happened. So maybe you can send to the Timothy this file,
All
and
right.
uh, he help you to solve this problem.
Okay.
Oh, guys, please mute your microphones.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, so now I have received the quote from the quiet. Um, so okay. So quiet, please write the name of your quote like this quiet test 2. Next will be version 3, 4, and etc. Yeah. So Python. Okay, so quiet, are you ready? Sergey, are you ready? So Sergey, he is our drone pilot and he save all drones always time. This is a Serega. Okay, now we will change the battery. Sergey, thank you very much for your saving the drone skills.
I sent another code.
Okay, I will check it. Subai, thank you for your perfect naming of the files. Okay, we start the code running. Что-то не хочет. Может, попробуй в позиции повисеть? Just a moment, we check the drone in the position mode. No.
And Svetlana, there was a question in the chat from Kaid about the his drone. Is it still fast or is it okay?
Yeah, thank you, Lena. Okay, let's fly. Okay, the quads are waiting any actions. I think that is why drone cannot move to other points. Okay, guys, we have 30 minutes before we finish our test site working. So, quite about your flights, it's okay, yeah, it's right. but I have received your quote for now. Have you fixed it with Timothy your mistakes?
I just sent him. Let him check it first.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Серега готов? Okay, so we start the quote. Серега? Subai. So I don't know what about mistakes in your quote. Maybe try to use the template which we sent before and change this template with the function of navigate wait, for example.
So as Mr. Timofey asked me to remove the QR code, I just did that. I removed the QR code part, but it's still, we're having the same issue. I'm not sure why. It's working perfectly on the gazebo simulator.
I don't know, but now I see that you use a rangefinder. Maybe in this mistake because we don't have a rangefinder on our drone for now.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay. And also, what about the LED strip? Is it being used or not?
So, sorry, please repeat it.
The LED strip, is it being used or not?
A LED strip is used. It's okay. Yeah. And now I see that you set up of LED strip with a blink, with a red color.
Yeah.
Yes, it's working.
Okay. I'll just remove the rangefinder.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, so we have 10 minutes before we finish our meeting. For now,
Okay, so I removed the rangefinder and the QR code, and I sent again.
okay, so I see. I'm downloading it. Серега, ты готов? Ой, народ. So, Subaya, are you ready? Restart your code. Серега, ты готов?
Okay, still not moving. I moved all the other codes.
Maybe I don't know. Maybe I see you use only sleep. Maybe you don't use a delay. Maybe you forgot it about it.
Okay.
Вообще, мне кажется, это вопрос
What speed do you recommend using?
Just
Maybe because I'm using only 0.2 meters per second.
для просто движения можно.
so you can use the speed which was right at the template. I think it's okay because it's right correctly.
Мало, он очень медленно взлетает и начинает не видеть метр.
What was it?
Он считает 23,1 после метра в секунду.
See the template of
Where is
the
it?
example of codes. It's the chat common chat of the nationals.
Ah,
I
okay.
have sent it at the start of this day flight example.
Yes, yes. Yes, I see. Speed is not mentioned. There is no speed.
Okay, I will write the recommended speed of it. So for takeoff, it's approximately 1.5 meters. For flight to the point, it's 0.5 meters. It's okay per second.
Okay.
Okay, quiet. Thank you very much for your working today, and please prepare into the next day. Today it will be autonomous. Today will be FPV flight. So we have 4 minutes before we finish our meeting. And for tomorrow, the main important thing it is the. Oh, please mute the microphone, guys. So the most important thing will be right in the group, in our Telegram chat, and see all information here. Okay.
I sent again.
Yeah, I see. Subai, yeah, I see your quote. So So because okay, let's fly. Нет, все будет хорошо. Oh, Subai, I don't know what's happened on it.
I sent the code to Timofey.
I think you can make some comments using the print. So print. We don't print take off, and we cannot to reach it.
Maybe because I'm using Navigate Wait.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe please. Maybe you can. You can need to edit. You can need to edit the template, that the example of the code without navigate
Sure.
wait.
Okay.
Try to make it. And now it's 2 o'clock. Okay, we
All right.
provide
Thank
a
you.
launch in one time for you. Okay, and also if you will free time on the evening, you can join to us too.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, Subaya.
Yes.
So you can work with Timofey. Timofey help you to solve this problem.
Okay.
But you prepare your. I advise you to prepare different examples of your quote, different variants of it.
So I can
And
just use the template instead.
no, yeah, you can use template or you can solve this problem with Timofey. And okay, I think we can check your quote on the second of our second part. So today from 4 and up to 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Approximately will be 6 p.m. 5
Okay.
or 6 p.m. Be on the connection, and we will check it, I think.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, goodbye. So
Good.
guys, I think we can, just a moment. Yeah. So guys, I think we can finish our work for today. Yeah. So I think we can finish our meeting for today. Thanks for your joining and participating on it. And see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will have we will have a meeting in 11 o'clock. And all information will be posted on our Telegram group. Keep in touch and see our Telegram group with all information as well. So, okay, bye-bye.